What up, you guys? I'm back with another video reaction, y'all. What's up, fam? How y'all doing? Y'all, we got another interesting cop video, but this one, somebody's running from the cops. I'm interested in seeing it. But y'all, before we even get into this video, what I need y'all to do is like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification when I upload a new video. Other than that, sit back, relax, get your water, your wine, your ganja, your coffee, whatever it is. And let's play this video. Here goes nothing.
On September 26, 2025, an officer at the train station approached a man who had been playing loud music through a portable speaker. After repeated requests to comply, the situation quickly escalated. What followed was captured entirely on body-worn camera.
Yo, so you gotta have headphones for that music.
I want to know where this is at. This is definitely not in New York. Where is this at?
We going up 82 from Kensington Station to Indian Creek.
So I was trying to tell you,
130 feet
I have headphones for the music.
108.
So I just told this gentleman over here the same thing. So that's
the last four. 8711. 8711.
You go ahead and leave the property, sir, if you don't want to follow the rules.
I'm calling out traffic. 1941.
Hey, sir. So look, sir.
No. 745.
Sir, you want to leave the property, sir? I got to ask you one more time. I said I'm trying to give you a break, man.
Bro, why is it that you just gotta be loud and cause trouble, bro? Just put your headphones on. Like, let's be realistic. I'm not gonna lie. Like, even in New York City, like, the cops are gonna tell you, like, you shouldn't have your music loud on the train or on the bus or even, like, while waiting for the train. Because nobody wants to hear that. Everybody want to hear their own music in their headphones. Nobody want to blast it. For what? There's no reason for you to blast music unless you're trying to do a show. But if you're not, then what are you blasting music for? I get it's a free country, but damn, like, nobody want to hear. Not everybody's into the same exact music as you're listening to. You know what I mean? Everybody has different kinds of taste of music. So I understand where they say put your headphones on. I get it.
48, that'll be for the Scott subject. The Scott subject. Monitor case number 1087.
Hey, sir.
Monitor case number will be 108712. Again, 108712. Call subject 1907, 1907.
I'm talking to you, sir. Go ahead and leave the property. Go ahead and leave the property, sir. Hey, sir, you go ahead and leave too, man.
I'm not gonna lie, the music don't sound that loud. It's probably because it's the way his mic is at, but it's probably loud enough that it will disturb people's, music in their ears.
So if you refuse to leave the property, you're going to be arrested, okay? I'm issuing a criminal trespass right now.
1907, Cleveland Shepherd Radio.
So you refusing to leave?
Do your job.
So you refusing to leave?
Do your job.
You refusing to leave?
Do your job.
Leave the property, man. 343 radio.
Do your job. You want to get paid? Do your job.
You show me how to issue a 35.
Do your job.
Individual refusing to
Want to
leave
get
the
paid?
property.
Come on. Do your job.
43, what's your location?
Eastbound platform. West end of eastbound platform.
I'm putting on CCTV at this time. Subject refusing to leave the station.
All right, you getting ready to go to jail, sir? Just let you know.
7400, I'm clear. Standing by for code. I have you on CCTV at this time, 43.
Sir,
Radio, you have another
you getting ready to go to jail, sir? I'm just letting you know.
That's a negative at this time. Radio to 7103.
Hey, put your hands behind your back, sir. Put your hands behind your back.
Touch me, and I'm touching you back.
I'm about to spray you. I'm gonna just spray you if you refuse.
Touch me, and I'm touching you
I'm
back.
gonna just spray you if you refuse, sir.
And I'm touching you.
Radio to 7103.
Put your hands behind your back, sir.
Do your job.
Put your hands behind your back.
All right, hold on. You telling him to do his job. He is trying to do his job. And you said if he touches you, you're going to touch him back. So now at this point, the cop is, now you threatening the cop also. You get what I'm saying? Yes, I get you feel threatened, but you're threatening the cop also. So now, I don't know what happens after this. I don't know.
That'll be E3 Emmett Park. He's got one of 30 female subject, one a black shirt, appears to be gray pants. Subject refusing to leave. I do have unit on CCTV this time. Also on the 50. Where do you have a 350? You said E3? That's affirmative. That's affirmative. 7400, 340 was on the 82 to 14 code.
All right, sir.
That's all right, we should have 2 units at that location. Where do you have a 343? You have a...
Yo, he's just being a clown right now because the cop is there. I promise you. If he was by himself, he wouldn't be doing that at all. I promise y'all he would not be doing that. He's doing that on purpose to see if the cop is going to do something.
Unit at this station with you?
That's a negative, not that I'm aware of.
Be advised, 350 on your way at this time. I still have your CCTV.
Okay.
Yeah, on radio. Go ahead. That's all from the 745. Passport test number 8012. Stock pilot 62401. I'm calling 63401. You're out in the cab code.
Due to platform renovations, red and blue line trains will not stop at Barnett Station from
7400 radio, we got 2 units. We got 343 items and 26 in that location.
Visit itsmark.com.
Where do you have a 343 Adam? 343 Adam, channel 2?
Y'all not doing nothing. What are you doing? Like, come on. Are you going to arrest him or not, bro? Like, what is it?
43 Adam. I'm down in the north line. I'm headed up right now. I'm clear. I'm on 343 Adam. Where do you have a 350? You clear, call 4.
For your safety, please remain vigilant by reporting suspicious activities immediately. Remember, if you see something, say something.
Where do you have a 43? Confirm that'll be eastbound platform. Eastbound platform.
That's from. I'm on the west end of the eastbound platform.
I'm clear west end, eastbound platform. 343 hour responded. Radio. Oh, push it again, creep. Oh, 108 963. 108.
One train is approaching the station. Please step on
I want to see if he's gonna get on the train or not.
Hey, hold the train! And this dude right here. So I told him to leave the property. Threatened me. He going to jail. Go to the school. Alright, so go ahead and put your hands behind your back. Sir, put your hands behind your back.
No, you'll never catch me. Fuck you, nigga.
343 radio.
Now he running. We're gonna see if he gonna get away or not.
22, go ahead.
That individual is taking flight down the platform. Still 26 on the platform. We're tracking his location.
Okay. There'll be a 2-man unit.
I don't know.
Okay, so no clear.
Hey, sir, look, go ahead and stop, man, because you're getting ready to get tased. You're about to get tased. You're about to get tased. Stop, stop, stop. Stop or you're going to get tased.
Oh, caught him and fell and he got back up. Oh, he busted his whole face first, bro. Oh my God.
Shut the power down, shut the power down. Hey, sir.
Oh, he busted his whole face open, y'all.
We'll get up, get up. Come on up, grab my hand, come on, grab my hand. Grab my hand.
Units are trying to pull the subject up on the platform at this time. Again, units are trying to pull the subject up from wayside at this time. They're attempting to go to code 23. All units on channel 2, stand by 1.
He said, after this, I ain't playing around no more. He busted his whole shit, bro. He ain't want to play no more. He should have listened to the cop.
Code 23 one time, the tracks are clear.
All clear, code 23 one time, tracks are now clear. Rail control was notified.
You got the glasses?
They'll get him for you, sir. Go ahead and stand up. We're going to sit you down on the bench.
You got gloves? Father God in the name of Jesus. Good job.
Units be about 6-7 markers now being one CCTV and their code 23 one time, 6-7 markers now being had there, 1953.
Come on, man. Slide onto your legs. We're gonna lift you up and put you over here on this bench.
Yeah, get up. So
Yo, he hit that concrete. He hit that concrete so hard that it knocked the wind out of him, and now he's like, damn, I don't know what to do. He hit his face hard, bro.
use your legs. Use your legs. Use your legs.
All right, let him win it.
He ain't doing nothing. That's his phone, hat, and you said glasses, right? I don't see no glasses down here, man.
Stand by with him.
We got medical attention on the way to you, sir. We're gonna go ahead and get these.
Whoa, they're gonna charge me a medical bill. I can't go to the hospital.
You said they're gonna do what?
They're gonna charge me a medical bill.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
Whoa, no, I can't go there. I'm good.
You got any weapons on you?
Nah,
No weapons?
besides my consciousness. You can't unbuckle that.
So, what is that?
You can't unbuckle that.
I got you. You got any weapons on you?
No, I said no.
You got anything sharp on you?
No.
Hey, we should be able to pull these phones out, right? All right, so are you ready to sit up yet, or you want to stay on the ground? Because we're trying to get you up on this bench right here. Can you move your
Yo,
leg?
I'm surprised he even got it, because the way how he hit that with his face first, I'm surprised he's up. I'm surprised he ain't knocked his own self out. He's probably feeling real dizzy.
We got you. Oh, man, use your leg. Yep. All right, back up, back up. Hey, lower for that. So you got any ID on you? You got any ID on you? So do you have any ID on you? You got a wallet? My wallet should be in my right pocket.
Yeah, 343 Adam. Our unit's okay. Do you need a boy as well?
Negative. What's going on, sir?
So, okay?
Yeah, been better, man.
This is like the best we got.
Okay. Yeah, we got EMS on the way, so.
No.
No what?
No medical bills. I can't.
Money on a 350.
I'm good.
Well, they're coming out. Nobody said you got to ride with them.
Thank God.
50. What's your location at this time for real?
Medical bills, man.
So I have a first aid kit in the 40 car.
Could you 75
Got a phone right here.
What can see that traffic? What supervisor shop off the road?
Train came several times. The train didn't touch it, and he said his glasses. Did you have your glasses on when you dove over there?
All I can remember is
They just made it I-20 westbound and Fulton Industrial.
And you jumped. Yeah. So I don't.
Is this man on drugs or something, bro? How you don't remember?
I'm not seeing no glasses. You let this officer pat your head and get some of that blood off you?
Nah, you good, man. You did your job enough.
You don't want them to touch you. Okay. So medical, the EMS is coming.
I don't need them.
They have to look at you.
They're gonna charge me, man. I can't afford no medical bill.
You got tased, so we gotta see. I can't afford that. You got tased, they gotta see.
Come on.
You got tased.
That's it.
Yes.
That's it.
Yes.
Bro, you know what that tase could do to you, bro? It shocked your body. You froze up and then you fell. Then on top of that, you banged your head, bro. You gotta check yourself. You never know. You have to check yourself.
No, that's it.
You tell you tased, you have to get your back protection.
Oh, bro. They're gonna charge me like $4,000.
Not just look at you. You have to give it back to your truck. They ain't gonna charge you just look at you.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they're gonna give you a couple band-aids too.
Please check the door before closing the
You
door.
need some stitches, man.
I'll be alright.
Oh yeah, you can be alright. Yeah, you need some stitches. I'll be alright without the stitches. Okay?
Despite refusing medical care, the man was evaluated on scene and later transported to jail. The remainder of the arrest was not captured on body-worn camera, and no additional details have been publicly released.
Damn, I can imagine. I can imagine what they gave him. They probably gave him like a month in jail. Who knows what he did? I don't know. They probably did something. I don't know, y'all. But thank you guys for watching this video. That was just crazy how homeboy literally slammed his head onto the ground. That's crazy. I hope he learned the lesson and not play around. You know what I mean? Because the cops told him, yo, just, whatever. It was nothing serious, but you can't tell people what to do nowadays because they will get mad at you. But y'all, I love y'all so much. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate y'all. Please like, comment, and subscribe once again. But other than that, y'all, peace, and I'll see you on another video.